Welcome back to the channel. And this week is all about getting Excel to create an infographic for you. Now, did you know it could do that? I bet you didn't. We're going to use an add-in called Graph. And the first thing you're going to need to do is get the add-in. So to do that, you're going to go to, and I have to remember which of the menus it's on the insert menu, as I suspected, because that's where we're going to insert things. You'll notice that I've got my add-ins and I've got get add-ins, and I've already got Graph installed and it's popped itself here. So I can go to my add-ins and I can see all, and then it will show me all the add-ins that I have added within here. I can go to get add-ins. So if you haven't got Graph, this is what you will do, and you will search here for Graph. Or search for people, and it should bring up Graph as the top one. You just add in whatever you want, and away you go. And you'll have seen that there are other add-ins there, and you might want to have a play with some of those. So here we are. I've got my Graph, so I'm going to click on it to use it, and it pops this test chart onto your document, and it always says numbers about the app, and it gives you some sample data. When you click on it, top right, you get a couple of other things, and you can open that to get some information or to save it as an image if you want to. But what we're going to do is we're going to click the table because we have to select the data. Now my data is about the sales of drinks and coffee, hot chocolate, latte, cappuccino at Coffee Island, which is my fictitious coffee shop. It's the coffee shop that my book, Business Barista, Essential Excel Skills for Business is based on. And so all of my Excel training uses that, or most of it uses that as an example. So here I've got some sales, and I'm just going to select the sales that I want to include. So cappuccino, latte, Americano, and hot chocolate. So I've select the data. So we'll go and select the data. We'll click create, and immediately it brings it back. But it still doesn't look quite how I want it. So I'm going to go back to here, and can you see this is where the title is? And I forgot to change it. So it's going to say sales of coffee at, Coffee Island is spelt with a K. I know. So there we go. Select your data, create, and we've got our chart with the right title. So now I'm going to change what it looks like. I can choose the theme. That's what we've got. I can choose a yellow one or a blue one. I'm going to go with yellow. And then I can choose the shapes. So I'm going to go with the little people. They don't have a coffee cup, unfortunately, which it would be really nice. But if your data was about time, you've got a couple of time ones. I've got a computer one. I could say how many people I've trained and which packages it is, or whatever, or stars, 5 stars, 4,500 people. And you'll see that each of these changes. Oh, the hearts are quite nice. I can see people love their drinks. So let's go with that for now. So now when I click away, there's my chart. If I want to, let's close the data. Over here, I can show as a saved image. So it's now an image, which I can copy and paste anywhere that I want to. Paste it over here. And I can now save that as an image and save it as a picture. Pop it in my pictures folder so that I can use it on social media or wherever I want to use it. So remember to click the bell and subscribe to the channel so that you get notifications when I post a new tip. There's a new tip every Thursday, and I'll see you in the next one.